Hey guys, welcome to Pentest Skills. So in this tutorial, we will be installing one of the vulnerable application via ADB and then performing the penetration testing of that particular application. So the APK is already shared in the resources. You can download it in this in this VM itself, and then let's go to the console or the command line of this VM and go for Android CLI and then just type ls and just go for the download section because we have kept this folder in the download section. Go for downloads. Here we can see that there is a diva.beta.apk applications which I have downloaded, and this is kept in a download folder. Now how to install this in mobile? So you can type adb to see the various commands which is provided by adb. So you can have a look at it, and you can understand what are the various usage of these commands. For now, we will be utilizing the install functionality of this ADB, where we will be installing this APK using ADB. So you can see using ADB, you have to write ADB, then install the name of the application which you are going to install or the package. Fine. Just go for clear. Now, before installing, you have to make sure in your device that install via USB setting is enabled in the developer option. So go for additional setting and just go for developer option, and you have to check it, install via USB. That need to be enabled. Otherwise, you will not be able to install APK via ADB. Once you have made this option available, then go for check devices where your device is still connected or not. Right, ADB devices. So my devices is attached and I have this beta apk folder here. So now diva underscore beta apk. Now write adb install and then diva beta apk enter. Now you can see that in your mobile there is an option coming that install via USB. Then you have to allow it, install it, and remember my choice install. So once you do that, this APK will be installed in your device. Let's see if it is showing. See, this device is showing now. If I'm going to open it, so now it will open. Fine. Now let's do one of the challenges which is shown here. So it contains multiple challenges which you can do for practice. I will be showing you one or two application or challenges which which can be done. You can follow the rest and do the other other challenges. So let's go for insecure logging. Okay, so in insecure login, suppose if any apk is there where you have to enter the card detail to get the information. So before that, you have to understand one of the functionality of the adb is adb logcat. Adb, so it will log all the runtime logs provided by an application. If you enter, then it will provide you the real time log, hooked with this application or whatever the application you are running. So it will keep running every time. Now let's go to our application and let's enter the detail or whatever the detail you want to do, like 1 2 3. Put the arbitrary number and just do the checkout. An error happened. Okay, so let it complete because it will take some time in getting the all the runtime logs. As you see here, whenever this error comes out, so there is a log captured here, and if you will go to the logs of this runtime error, then you can find out that yes, this error while processing transaction with credit card this detail. So that means this application is not encrypting the sensitive detail, and these logs can be captured in the runtime while connecting with the adb. So this is an a vulnerability where an attacker can get the sensitive detail for more efficiently, or for finding this vulnerability more efficiently, what you can do is, any application you are trying to do the assessment, you can copy the logs in an text file, then you can later find it using text editor, so it will be more easy for you. I just have shown you the example how it can be done by processing this functionality. So in the next tutorial we will be doing some more vulnerability on this, so that we will be enhancing our pen testing skill on mobile application. So guys, thanks for watching. Let's meet in the another video. Thank you.